Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Doc. If you've ever wanted to bring your 2D images to life in 3D, you're in the right place. Today, I will show you how to use a fantastic tool called Styler.ai to convert your 2D images into stunning 3D models for free. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in Styler.ai. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to their website. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's free and quick. Click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Fill in your details, your name, email, and a secure password. Then click Create Account. You might need to verify your email, so go ahead and check your inbox for a confirmation link. Once you've verified your email, log in with your new account details. You'll be greeted with the Styler.ai homepage. To get started, click on Start for Free right here. This will take you to the main dashboard. Here, you can upload the 2D image you want to convert to 3D. Click on the Upload button and select your image from your computer. For this tutorial, I'll be using this picture. After your image is uploaded, you'll see a variety of options. But for now, let's focus on converting it to 3D. Head towards the Image-to-Image section on the left-hand side. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Style. Click on it and select 3D. This will apply a 3D style to your image. To ensure that the 3D effect matches the feature of your image perfectly, make sure to turn on the Match Face option. Now that we have our settings ready, it's time to convert the image. Click on the Convert button and let Styler.ai work its magic. This might take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your image, so just sit tight. And voila! Your 2D image has been transformed into a 3D masterpiece. You can see how the 3D effect adds depth and dimension to the original image. If you're happy with the result, you can download it directly to your computer by clicking the Download button. But that's not all. Styler.ai offers a variety of other styles and options for you to explore. You can try different art styles, apply advanced editing features, and more. It's a great way to get creative with your images. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to try Styler.ai for yourself. It's a powerful tool with endless creative possibilities. And the best part is, it's free. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.